Welcome back to my channel. Look what I got in the mail. FedEx, and it is the new core catalog sets. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. Oh, okay, I think I got a couple sets that are not well, they're new to the core catalog, but we had them not too long ago for a launch. Anyway, are you ready? I'm so excited. Super excited for several of these, you guys. I think that's it. Okay. Yeah, this is one of the ones that we did just have, but I had to get another one because it sounds like they're opening. We've got Divine Matter, which is a bar glitter. That we did have this previously. I just had to get another one because it's so pretty. All right, and then Cosmic Candy is another one that is a repeat, but I had to get it. Then we've got Wine Time. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a beautiful burgundy, and it does remind me of Aberdeen, maybe. Okay. Have one handy. It's the very first in my alphabetical. Oh, it's a little different. Aberdeen is a little darker, more purple. So, yeah. Okay. There's that one. Oh, Vegas Vixen. I've never had this one, and this is from, this is a re-release. Look at that gold glitter with the pink ombre. Now this one I wouldn't mind wearing the normal way, I think, because it's not so dark down there. So pretty. I'm going to show you all of these, and then I need comments of what you want to see me, a Manny that will post like Sunday, Monday. I have an idea of what I want to do, but I want to see what the majority rule is, or vote is. Okay, Sea Breeze. I think I'm going to love this. Yes. I wish it was a reverse glitter. It's got some big chunks of glitter there, but oh yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Aqua, oh, like water. That's what it reminds me of. Beautiful water, ocean water. All right, Rio Red, another re-release. I'm so excited about this. Oh my goodness. You know what? I need to put those cheater glasses on real quick, like. Okay. Oh my gosh. See if you can see that real good. Oh man, I love it. Oh, I cannot wait to wear this one, I think. Oh man, look at that glitter. Oh, my phone reflection camera is reflecting on there. That's weird. Anyway, it's gorgeous. Peach tea. The peachy color, and it's pretty. I wonder how sheer this is. This is like a salmon color. So pretty. And it's not a neon. It's a cream, but it looks like it could be a neon. I wonder if it... Oh, similar to, what's that orange one? An orange neon. See if I can find it quick like. Oh no, not the same. Not even. All right. There's that one. And then we've got Daybreak. Oh, that's a pretty French. It does remind me of the January sub box. I don't know what the set is called offhand, but I did put it on. That's pretty. Very pretty. It looked pretty with the overlay on it even. Ballet Blush. Okay. Then love this neutral. Is this, it's a cream. I wonder if this is like a jelly. I mean, I'm sure it says it on the website. Alaskan Sky Tips. I know we've had Alaskan Sky, but I just had to get the tips. I know we can make our own tips very easily, but I like it when they're pre-made. It also saves on time. So pretty. Then we've got Blue Raspberry, which is a repeat, but I got it anyway. It's a neon jelly. And lastly, Sliver Fox. I am excited about this one. It's a clear overlay, and it does state that, with strips of glitter going across. How pretty is that? How pretty is that? Okay, so that is it. I didn't get all of the core catalog, the new sets put in the core catalog, because I have them and I didn't feel like I needed to grab them or show them because we've seen them. So anyway, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I will see you next time. Oh, don't forget to tell me what you'd like me to put on. I have an idea. I have an idea. I just don't, I have an idea. I don't know. But I want to see what the majority is. All right. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Ciao.